Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today we're cruising down the road in the 2023 Volvo XC90. This is the B5 model. You might say, what is B5? It's the new mild hybrid powertrain. The T5 and the T6 have been replaced by the B5 and the B6. Mild hybrid powertrains, and so that's why I say that. We're going to do a road noise test. We're already on the worst portion of the road we're going to drive on today, so I'm going to shut my mouth and let you listen. We'll get onto some smoother pavement in a minute or two, and you can hear what it sounds like in a couple of different scenarios as far as your road noise goes. Well, that didn't quite go the way I'd hoped it would. I was hoping to drive over some railroad tracks beyond what we just did back there and give you an idea of what it sounds like. We'll get over this next set here, but since the railroad folks there have the road blocked that they so love to do on occasion here in this area, well, I can't cross the road right there. But I'm going to give you an idea, a pretty good idea on some rough pavement, what the XC90 interior sounds like when driving down the road, and also some smooth pavement. Hopefully that helps out. I know there's not a lot of videos out there that are dedicated to just road noise tests, but we do have several of those here on the FindTheBestCarPrice.com YouTube channel. If you would like to have us test a particular vehicle, tell us what it is, and I'll definitely see if I can make that happen for you. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.